Hi, it's me again with Corel Drill Tips and Tricks. This is part two about this history or the undo. I've got mine set where I can only undo 25 things because I think if you have more undo value, it uses up memory on your computer. So for people just starting out, I'd say put your undo like at 100 so you can always undo backwards. And if you didn't watch part one about the history versus undo, you need to watch that. But if you'll go to Tools, Options, Corel Draw, right here under General is your undo levels. You could have it set on 100, and then it's going to, if we did 100 more things, it would keep track of all 100. Um, but you just have to keep going and going and going. We could just keep drawing boxes. Let's just draw some boxes and get the undo level higher, and you can see that it's adding to the undo. But what I do like about it, the list is a lot longer than this list. Is hard to see, and is to me it's the opposite. This is the last thing we did at the top, where the last thing we did is at the bottom. And if you happen to go to fill, all these creates are grayed out, but they're still there. So set your undo level with whatever you feel is right. I'm going to go back and set mine right now back to 25 so I won't mess up. Because it does take up, I think it takes up RAM. I'm not a computer person, but I've heard that it takes up a lot of memory because it's having to store all those little files inside that file. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.